Hello everyone. Today I practice linking sounds. My watch is broken. She loved good book. The door is open. By opposite the fruit stand. Have a swim in the pool. Let's start a game. English. Speak it. Write it. Read it. You know you really need it. Don't forget. Fold your clothes. Then you lock it and put the key back in your pocket. She's uh Can we go back? My husband's forgotten his passport. Where's the port? I don't know. I haven't seen her. Shh. She's a good girl. He a good boy. I only use white paper. Hả? Đợi một tí. I have never been a speedboat. Me and you. 3, 4, 4. The end. You and me. 2 or 3. Go outside. Go out of the building. Go along in the street. Go over the bridge. Go across the street. Go up the hill. Take a left street or left. And then 11 your right. Then, I'm not sure. You have to ask again. If you can fly, then you run. If you can run, then walk. If you can walk, then crawl. But what, but whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. Bye. See you again.